I can remember the first person I made an Alzheimer's disease diagnosis in. It had a big impact. 30 years later, I still remember her. Our goal with starting a clinical trials program was to have something to offer to as many people as possible at every stage of the disease. We think the earlier you start intervention in Alzheimer's disease, the more effective that intervention will be. We're very excited to have several trials at an early stage of symptomatic Alzheimer's disease, where people have some memory problems, but they're still independent in their day-to-day function. They do not yet have dementia. We want to try to hold these people at that stage of disease for as long as possible. Now, there are some things that we know that can help with that. A vegetable-rich diet, 150 minutes of exercise a week, adequate sleep, stress reduction. We know these things can slow progression of mild cognitive impairment to dementia, but we need therapies that can really hold this for years at a time and make it a chronic condition that doesn't progress to dementia. We hope one day that we'll have specific diagnostic tests for people in midlife, maybe earlier, to determine their risk for ultimately developing Alzheimer's disease. And hopefully we'll have robust interventions that reduce a person's risk dramatically. The best hope for finding real effective therapies, maybe even cures for Alzheimer's disease, lies in the interactions and collaboration between the basic scientists, clinical scientists, and clinicians. We owe it to people to do the scientific work, because that's what will make the biggest difference in the end.